Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that there are t-shirts available in a shop of size L, M and S, large, medium and small. Total 180 t-shirts are sold. 20% of the t-shirts sold are size L and 45% are of size M. How many t-shirts of each size have been sold? Okay, so let's do it individually. 20% is L. So the number of size L t-shirts is equals to 20%, so it's 20 over 100 multiplied by 180. This will give me a value of 36. Okay, let's continue to for size M, 45%. Okay, so I just need to multiply 180 by 45%, which is 45 over 100. So let's do the presentation now. Over 100, going to multiply by the total 180. This will give me 81. And the last part will be quite simple. So for size S, since I already know the total 180, I also know the number of t-shirts for size L and size M. So finally, for size S, I just need to take away these two. To give me 63. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.